Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wise to a US beneficiary account step by step clearly. Log in to your Wise account. Navigate to the Balances section in your dashboard. Select the currency you wish to withdraw. Click on the Send button. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. In the Recipient section, select Bank Account. Choose Add a Recipient. Fill in the recipient's details. Enter the recipient's account number. Provide the recipient's routing number. Select the account type, either checking or savings. Review the information to ensure accuracy. Click on Confirm to save the recipient. Return to the withdrawal process. Select the newly added recipient from your list. Review the withdrawal details once more. Confirm your withdrawal request. You will receive a notification about the status of your withdrawal. Check your email for any updates from Wise. Monitor your US beneficiary account for the incoming funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.